Hello. I'm just having so much fun. I'm like, okay, I'm going to do one more video tonight. Or is it going to be the last one? We don't know. I hope so. I can't keep doing this tonight. Okay. But for this video, I'm going to teach you some more terms for fun. But this time, I chose some signs that I remembered from what I learned in this class. Not the terms you just learned, I just taught you in the previous videos. Those were the ones in my section that I'm learning right now. But I wrote down my own signs because I can also teach the ones that I remembered from previous lessons, if you understand what I mean. Okay. So I have chosen 11 words that I will teach. Oh my god, what am I saying? I have 11 signs for you. I can't speak. I have 11 signs that I'd like to teach you. Okay. So I chose bird or chicken, rabbit, horse, school, college, university, food, to eat, happy, excited, depressed. And I'll add on high school. Because, oh, good old high school. You can't leave that out. Okay. I'd rather just leave it out because I'm like so done with it. Okay, anyways. So, bird or chicken. Bird and chicken have the same sign. So you go like by your chin and you go like that. Bird or chicken. It's also like the 20. This is also the number 20. So, bird or chicken. Bird or chicken. Bark, bark. I don't know. If that helps you remember, or if I'm just distracting you, whatever. Rabbit. So rabbit, you go like this. Rabbit. That's what it looks like. You're going like this and you go by your head. Rabbit. School. I didn't forget that. No. So this is school, I think. School. If I get this wrong, then I'm gonna have to delete the whole video and do it all over again. I hope I'm right. Okay. University. Oh, college. So for college, you go like this. College. University is the same shape except you have a U. University. University. I'm trying to show it a good angle. High school, it's just H and S. If you learn the alphabet, you should probably already know H and S. So H and S. So high school, HS. Yeah. Horse. So horse is similar to rabbit. Rabbit was like this, but horse is like that. Horse. Horse. I don't know how to help you memorize that because this doesn't remind me of a horse. So, food. Okay, so food and to eat. Make sure you don't mix these up. Remember how I mentioned in one of my videos before that for ASL grammar, nouns are usually signed twice or more, and verbs are signed once. Usually there are exceptions. So then if food and to eat are the same sign, which one gets signed twice or more and which one doesn't? Food gets signed twice or more, right? Because food is the noun. And to eat gets signed once because it is the verb. So for food, you go, to eat, you go once like this. To eat. Actually, I think I taught this before. To eat. To eat. And food is more, twice or more. Food. 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 So to eat and food. Okay. Let me get a hairband. So, food. Just much better. Okay. Happy. So you have one hand and you go up like this, and make sure you have a happy facial expression. So like, happy. I'm so happy. Happy. Okay. Excited. You have, so if you go like this, that's actually the number 25. So that's why I say 225 hand shapes. And you go like this. Excited. And of course, you need an excited expression on your face. Excited. Okay. Depressed has the same 25 hand shape, except you go down like this, and you should have like a, and make sure your facial expression is not very happy. Down, feeling blue. So like, depressed. Depressed. Yeah. Not feeling good. Okay, wow, that really set the mood down. Okay, I think that's all. Okay. I know, sorry. I know this, my videos seem a little like disorganized, because it's like my mind doesn't stick to one thing. And I'm kind of tired slash not always the best at focusing. But that's why I try my best to explain things well and show it to you well so that you really get it. And to make it even better, that's why I'm asking you to ask questions or have suggestions for me how to improve myself, or ask questions in the comments so that I can maybe help you answer your questions, or I can also make improvements in how I teach. Because part of learning and growing is learning from others in a friendly environment. Okay, so let's review the words that I just taught you. Okay, hopefully I didn't confuse you. Bird or chicken? Rabbit. Horse. School. College. University. High school. Food. To eat. Happy. Excited. Depressed. Okay, I was getting in too much into okay. No, back to happy, please. Excited. There we go. I should have ended on something better. Why I always gotta be depressed at the end? Just kidding. Okay. Yeah, so one cool thing about sign language is it's very expressive. But it's not gonna be expressive if you don't show those expressions in your face. Haha. Expressive expressions. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you like my videos, or if you haven't seen them already, please check them out. And subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Alright, bye.